Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create the glass floor effect in Canva. So open Canva and create new design. Choose your preferred photo. I will choose this. Adjust it with fit with the page. Go to file, then settings, then add guides. Choose custom, make 0 here and 250 in margin, then 115 in this margin also, then click on add guide, then duplicate the image, adjust it with the page, then crop it fit with the margin, then click on border style, choose 5 or 6 border weight, then around corner also choose 100, then the color, then add new page, copy this second photo, duplicate it or make just copy and paste in second page, then go to share, download it as PNG and transparent background. Choose just second page to download, then download it, insert the photo, insert the photo in the first page, choose go to edit, then click on blur, choose the whole image and increase the intensity, as you want, then go to shadows, choose glow shadow or any shadow that you want, choose white color, then resize the photo fit with the old photo. This is the final result. Thank you for like and share this video and see you in next tutorial.